Okay, so right there at measure 9, 10, measure 11. You're starting with an arpeggio. So that's the fingering. Third position, second finger, the note is E. Then we're going to go to G, F natural, and together that sounds like this. Okay, so that's what we have to play. Let's see if I can play that from 9 that far. Measure 13 starts on the note A. And so on. So we're doing okay with all the notes at 17 and 18. Now we have some things that are going to get a little more challenging. We have to do extensions in measure 17, 18, measure 19, 20, 21, 22, and following. Okay? So we're going to go like this. G sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. So the finger pattern that looks like this, the extended one, here's E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Remember the ballpark warm-up? A, E, F sharp, G, A. That's kind of what your fingers are going to be in place to do at measure 19. So here's your G sharp. Like that. Then it changes back to G natural. So that goes like this very slowly. Let me go 2 measures before 21 or measure 19. Then we're back to kind of home base for a moment to C. Okay, so here's 21. I have C. You can ignore that fingering. You can play it all in first position like this. Okay, so the fingerings are C, E, C. You can use the extended third for G sharp, and then open A after that, and just kind of follow the notes. Notice you have C natural and then C sharp. All right, here, if I can play that into tempo now. 21. And then we go on from there at 24. Low F sharp, and you just kind of go up the scale, and you've got F sharp again. At 24, technically you're in the key of G now. Between 24 and where everything kind of gets recapped around 67, you're going to see the note F sharp a lot. You might see it on the C string or on the D string. So just take note of those when you see them. Okay, let's move ahead and see if we can get to measure 39. 39, we have some string crossing to do, and let me take that for you kind of slow. Okay, so right there you're going to go up into third position after measure 39. This is all in first. Right there, third position for the note high D, G, E, and then you can go back to first position. So let me take measure, be 1, 2, 3, 4 measures before 45. Let me do that again. Do that again for you. I can do that better, sorry. 45 is pretty straightforward. In the fourth measure of it, you have a double stop where you're going. You're just playing your open D with those notes for harmony. 49, you have some C string notes, so make sure you know what you're going to do there, including the F sharp, which is all over this part of the key. So just be aware of those. 53 is pretty straightforward, but you have a D sharp coming up. Remember, remember D sharp is right behind E, okay? And you'll be fine with that. More C string notes in 57 and 58. And then 61 is pretty straightforward, but if you look into it a couple measures, we have an E flat coming up. So let me just start at 61. Okay, so three measures actually after 61. B, D, E flat, C. And that's open G and F natural there right before 67. 67 is very much like the beginning. In fact, you'll play a lot of the same things until you get to 82, and then we have some of that position work to do again at 82. Those fingerings are actually very good. So when I play at 82, I play a C. Let me do it again. Like that. Okay, so there's 82. Looking at measure 90. Well, let me get before 90. Two measures before 90. We have C, D, E flat, E natural. So just make sure you get your chromatics in there. Double stop, G and G. Now, here's an easy one to do. F sharp and A, E flat, C, and then we're going down to A flat. It's kind of interesting sounding. And there's the end of it.